How to get a refund on Cash App. Here's how it works. You want to load up the Cash App application, then you will click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Now from here you want to scroll down until you see support at the bottom, so you just want to click on support, and once you click on support, here we will use the search bar to search for dispute, written like this, and you will click on submitting a new dispute. Now from here, underneath related, you will see submit a new dispute. Click on it, and then you want to choose start the dispute process. Now it's going to show you all of your transactions, and you just want to click on the transaction which you want to dispute or report, and you will go through the prompts for that specific transaction. Here this one was already refunded, that's why it doesn't let me, but you will go through the information, you will write the information which is required of you, and if Cash App approves your dispute request, you will receive a refund. And that's basically how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.